Okay. Now, tell me if this is the problem that is written there. I have 25 cubic centimeters of a 0.1 molar solution. Remember, moles are defined, moles per cubic decimeter, which is actually molarity, okay, depending on where you live. And I'm going to use an acid to titrate it, correct? Yes? Now, I know that this reaction will be complete with just enough of each in order to, if I use 15.2 cubic centimeters of acid, right? So, if I use 15.2 centimeters of acid, I'll have just enough of acid to react with whatever substance is in here, the amount of substance that's in here. Okay, so how many moles of the sodium bicarbonate are actually in here? How many moles are in here? See, we have to find this molarity. Isn't that what they're asking? Isn't that what they're asking? So, how many moles are actually in there? How would you find that? Don't look at the book. How would you find that? Well, I know that if I have 0.1 moles, that's in a liter, but I only have 25 cubic centimeters, right? So if I have 0.1 mole per 1,000 milliliters, right? Remember, 1 milliliter equals 1 cubic centimeter, okay? So how many moles are going to be in 25? So multiply 0.1 times 25 divided by 1,000. What do you get? Do you need a calculator to do that? Okay.
0.0025.
0.0025?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, you know that 0.1 times 25 is 2.5, right? Right? Divide by 1,000 is going to get smaller by 3 places, right? 2, 3. So it's 0.0025, right? Anyway, so that's many moles, correct? So that's how many moles that I had available, correct? Now, if that's true, how many moles of sulfuric acid did I neutralize? Did I use? In other words, how many moles of sulfuric acid are in 15.2 cubic centimeters? Power failure. Right? So that's the next thing. That's still working, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So how many moles? I don't know if you'll be able to see the board well, though. Can you see the board? Is it dark?
No, it's fine.
Yeah. Well, what we'll do is we'll make this in 2 parts. So this is what I want you to do. Now we know how many moles of that I had, right? That I actually used. So how many moles of this were used? That's the question. If I know how many moles of this were used, can I determine the molarity?
Yeah.
All right, we'll do that right now. And we'll come back when the power comes back on.